Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious caldillo de puerco con calabacitas. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by cooking our meat. To my pot over medium heat, I'm going to be adding 3 pounds of pork shoulder and 2 pounds of country style ribs. To that we're going to add salt, 2 bay leaves, 3 minced garlic cloves, and a little piece of onion. Going to mix it. Okay, so now we're just going to cover our meat with water and bring it to a simmer. And once our meat comes to a full simmer, we're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 40 minutes or until the water evaporates. Okay guys, and while we wait, we're going to make our sauce. I already roasted all of my tomatoes. I'm going to be using 6. 1/4 of an onion roasted as well, 2 garlic cloves, 2 jalapeños, 2 chiles serranos, and of course if you don't want your sauce to be spicy, just use 1 jalapeno and a little handful of chile de árbol. I toasted them as well. For our spices, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander, and a pinch of ground cloves. We're going to be blending with 1 cup of water. So just blend it. Okay, and once we have our sauce, we're going to set it to the side until it's time to add it to our meat. I guess after 40 minutes, the water should have evaporated and the meat should have rendered its fat. So we're just going to fry it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to remove the bay leaves. I'm going to be adding 2 hash peppers that I roasted and chopped into strips, as well as 1 can of corn. And here we're going to add our salsa. Going to be adding more water to it. So we're just going to mix it and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, it just needs a little bit, so I'm going to be adding some chicken bouillon. And we're also going to be adding our calabacitas. I'm using 4. Going to mix it. And before you add the calabacitas, make sure that your meat, it's already nice and tender. So now we're just going to give it about 7 or 10 minutes. Allow the calabacitas to cook, and then we can get ready for the fun part. And after 10 minutes, our calabacitas are done, and our meat should be nice and tender. Of course, just make sure that you check it. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, and I'm just going to be serving with a side of rice and beans. Of course, make sure that you get the caldito. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, and this takes me back to the days that I used to live with my mom. This dish right here, it's just perfect. So simple, yet very delicious. So I am so ready. I like to dip it, the corn tortilla in the caldito. Take a bite. And then, just like that. It's just perfect. Of course, the meat, so tender. It's the best. The calabacitas, the cherry on top. And of course, I like my calabacitas still a little crunchy. They're soft, but crunchy at the same time. But if you like them all like crunchy and soggy, of course, just cook it longer. But this right here, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious caldillo de puerco con calabacitas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.